Hanover Parish Council writes to Negril Hotel amidst claims it's disobeying the terms of a stop order. A week after collapse hurt 5 people. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Clarendon cops probe double killing.
Laptop gang, cops describe sophisticated operation targeting computers in cars.
Mayors fume over National Labour Day project.
Troubling complaint about the seasonal work program in Canada.
And in the business day, Liberty Global completes takeover of cable and wireless.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary, primetime weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
What steps are you taking to protect yourself from crime?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.